हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू अ ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ सबब। मेरा नाम है मोहसिन खान और आप सोच रहे हैं कि यार ये समंदर के बीचों बीच मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ। तो भाई कैप्टन मोहसिन ने आज ठान लिया है कि समंदर से वो आज खजाना निकालने वाले हैं। लेकिन भाई कैप्टन मोहसिन को खजाना मिले ना मिले इसकी तो कोई गारंटी नहीं है, पर एक बात की गारंटी जरूर है। अगर आज आप हमारे शो पर बने रहेंगे तो आपको यमी टेस्टी खाने का खजाना जरूर मिलेगा और कितने उसके लिए जेब से खर्च करने हैं ये भी पता चलेगा। इसके लिए लेकिन आपको करना क्या है, सिर्फ बने रहना है ओनली ऑन योर फेवरेट फूड शो सबब। यमी खाने के खजाने की सर्च में मैं निकल पड़ा हूं अपने नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन जिसका नाम है हाइबो, मतलब सी ट्रेजर। तो भाई हाइबो रेस्टोरेंट में कितना ट्रेजर है, कितना खाने का खजाना है, चलो पता करते हैं। हाइबो के दो सबब फैक्टर तो मुझे एंटर करने से पहले ही मिल गए। फर्स्ट, द लोकेशन इज जस्ट बैंग ऑपोजिट जुहू बीच, मतलब कि आप बॉम्बे में कहीं पे भी किसी से भी पूछे हाइबो के लोकेशन के बारे में कोई भी बता देगा। एंड दूसरा वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, द वैले पार्किंग, मतलब जुहू जैसे बिजी एरिया में वैले पार्किंग मिलना, दैट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सबब फैक्टर।
Hello sir, good afternoon. Welcome to Haibo.
Thanks. I'm very thirsty. I need to have something.
Yes sir. What do you want, sir?
Give me something refreshing. Strawberry martini. I'm sure it's gonna refresh me. आप भी हमारे साथ बने रहे, रिफ्रेश होते रहे, cause Haibo, the sea treasure, it's got a lot in store for you. Cheers. So guys, I'm here in conversation with Mahesh, who's going to share his Haibo experience. Mahesh, tell me, what brings you here at Haibo?
Basically, I was in for a surprise because it turned out to be my favorite cuisine, which is hot pot. This is the first restaurant in Bombay I think is doing, and it's awesome. It's right, it's up there. It's right up there. So it's brilliant. It's brilliant. It's like more tastier, and it's good, healthy food.
I never tried anything like this before in my life. I never knew this is like a cuisine that existed. So something, a very unique experience altogether. Definitely the broth, the exotic vegetables, the spread of meat and non-veg and everything seems very different and very unique and exotic, and it's really looking like, you know, it's a great experience.
I found the food very tasty. The broth itself is very tasty, and the meats and the vegetables, once they are marinated in the broth, they get the flavor of the broth, and it remains hot until the end, which is the best part.
Also, initially you guys were confused कि कैसे करना है. इन लोगों ने help आपको बराबर किया service wise?
Yeah, the service was very good. In fact, I've tried this earlier in Malaysia. There you have to do it all yourself.
So how was the experience in Malaysia, and what about the Haibo experience here?
I think this is better.
Okay, India rocks.
Yeah, because the flavor of the broth is more suited towards Indian taste rather than in Malaysia. In Malaysia, it tends to be a little more bland.
And what about the sauces, the variety?
The sauces are awesome. The variety is mind-boggling.
So you get these variety of sauces and options over there outside
they
India?
Just have the hot pot. In fact, over there, the hot pot is built into the table itself. It's not a separate attachment like this. And the soup is already is poured in, and then you have the wide variety. Of course, there as well you have a wide variety of meats and seafood, which you keep doing yourself and eating it.
So this was a more comfortable experience?
Yeah, this was definitely more comfortable and more flavorful.
This is our first time we have visited.
Okay, first time. How's your first time experience here at Haibo?
Very nice, very nice.
आपको क्या अच्छा लगा?
अच्छा तो सब कुछ लगा, डेकोर अच्छा है.
डेकोर अच्छा है.
Ambience अच्छा है. I mean their approach to the customer is good. They are very warm people. They explain to the customers what they are serving. That is a good part. A few restaurants do that.
We've had some stir-fry noodles with a lot of like greens and vegetables. We've had tofu. We've had some very fabulous dim sums, which I think are very rare to find at great Chinese restaurants. So I'm very happy with my dim sums here. I think the very fact that it's by the sea itself, and I can sit and have a look at the sea whilst I'm eating my meal is the most comforting for any Mumbaiite. I think the manager is very good.
It has a lot of good options, both veg and non-veg, and they have a good spread. They have shabu shabu, so you can experiment a little bit, but they also have like the traditional like noodles and those kind of things, so you can veer between both of those options.
Great. Very important, the value for money.
Yeah, absolutely. It is value for money. Yeah.
It's amazing. It's my first time here.
Okay.
Really impressed by everything, especially this menu. You know.
Okay.
It's like really cool. You know, like it's the first time I'm ever using something like this in a restaurant. Amazing. It's, you know, they were apt, they were prompt. There's this call button over here. Like,
oh yeah.
You press this call button and like people just come to your table, and that's like really cool.
Yeah. Normally other restaurants you have to like, excuse me.
Yeah.
Hey,
I don't like raising my voice in a restaurant. You know, like, you know, when you're in a conversation, you know, you get interrupted when you're calling someone else. This is like really cool. You know, just like tap it and like someone else comes over here.
So guys, here I'm in conversation with Ankit. He's the owner here at Haibo. Ankit, thank you so much for being a part of the show, and thank you so much for inviting us here. Yeah?
My pleasure, my pleasure.
So Ankit, tell us about Haibo.
Hai means sea and Bo means treasure, so it's sea treasure.
So what treasure one can expect if they are coming here in Haibo?
All seafood treasure. Basically, in seafood you can say we serve pomfret, red snapper, okay, then your cuttlefish,
okay,
then your kingfish,
all right,
and your crab. Then most of the majority of those seafood.
गाइस आपने स्टार्ट में देखा होगा ना, मैं ट्रेजर ढूंढ रहा था, तो मेरा सर्च तो यहाँ पे हाइबो पे आके बिल्कुल एकदम ही खत्म हो गया है. यहीं पे मुझे सी ट्रेजर्स मिल रहे हैं. सो मेनी फिशेस दैट आई विल बी ट्राइंग वेरी सून, एंड आपको उसका स्वाद मैं बताऊंगा. व्हाट केम इन माइंड दैट यू वांटेड टू गिव मुंबई इट्स फर्स्ट शाबू शाबू? आई एम गेटिंग मोर anxious about this.
Shabu shabu has been originated in Mongolia.
Mongolia, okay.
And then it was derived to Japan. It is actually sliced meat dipped in boiling hot water. So, you know, you dip it and you just eat it and you just enjoy the authentic flavor and the aroma of the biscuit.
Haibo would be a totally different experience.
That's why we are giving the word we serve, y'all cook.
We serve, y'all cook. But will it be very difficult to cook?
No.
Because anyone who's reading it, especially me, like पढ़ने के बाद यार मैं क्यों cook करूँ restaurant में जाके?
So this is completely, I'm telling you, it's authentic, completely different cuisine, and you will love it while cooking also. You can, you know, aram se you can cook over here. You can enjoy the flavor, and plus point, it is very health conscious also. The most important thing about the Haibo is that we have more than 20 sauces over here.
More than 20 sauces. Okay, so it's gonna taste everyone's palate.
definitely.
Okay, I see you. You're very young. You're very energetic, and you must be moving around Mumbai and all over the world. Why would you come to Haibo if you're not the owner?
See, basically, I would say this is the first in Mumbai. They are serving Sabu Sabu.
एक unique experience के लिए.
Unique
बिल्कुल.
experience. And here you get to cook your own food.
Thank you so much for being part of the show, and I'm really looking forward to have a great experience, a great shabu shabu experience. Thank you so much for your time. So guys, I'm here at Haibo, which is just located at Juhu. And Haibo restaurant में मेरे साथ है Leo. He's the manager here. Thank you so much for being part of the show, Leo.
My pleasure.
Leo, I'm kind of baffled here about this whole shabu shabu concept. मतलब, you will serve and I'll cook. What is this exactly?
Not to worry. We are here to take care of you.
Okay.
Shabu Shabu experience is a must.
Experience करना, guys. Even this is my first experience, my first shabu shabu experience. So let's go through it. We'll come to know कि कैसे खाना है, कैसे you have to go about it. There's no rocket science. So I'm all ready here, excited here to experience my first shabu shabu hot pot, and Leo is going to help me out. So Leo, you've opted for a broth.
Yes.
Which broth is it?
This is the Laksha broth.
Laksha broth.
It's a very common broth. Ideally, it's a Indian favorite broth.
Indian favorite. क्यों ये Indian favorite है?
Because it has the Asian curry spice added to it.
Okay, Asian curry spice है. And अब ये broth आपने डाला है, ये कितने मिनट में boil होगा?
Less than 5 minutes.
Less than 5 minutes. So when it starts boiling, तो मुझे इसमें meats pour करना है. यहाँ पे I think we are ready.
Yes.
Steamy. Ah, very nice. Aroma is very strong and very nice. So how do I start? Like,
okay, generally for this, if you are an Indian, if you have a vegetarian guest dining with you, so you can choose a vegetarian broth and put the vegetables in first.
We start with the veggies.
We can put in the veggies first. Generally, the veggies take a little longer time to cook.
Okay.
Yes. But if you are non-vegetarian, then I would suggest you put the non-vegetarian meats first.
So we'll go step by step. We start with the veggies.
Yes.
Okay. So I would opt for a tofu, broccoli. Just go for it. Just इसे ऐसे ही डाल देना है?
नहीं. We'll put some little at a time.
Okay. You've put in the mushrooms. We've got the broccoli.
Mushrooms, broccoli, button mushrooms. There's a few of the spinach leaves.
Spinach leaves. But overall, what I see is this dish is going to be very healthy.
Yes. It's a very healthy form of cooking.
Okay.
The meats and the ingredients are fresh.
Fresh meat, fresh
right
ingredients, leafy vegetables. We've got tofu, again very healthy. And that's carrots. In total, यहाँ पे ये broth itself is going to become very flavorsome and very tasty. It's
you got to wait to experience it.
Okay.
It's a wonderful shabu shabu experience. We'll talk about the broth later.
All right. So now I have to.
Okay. We'll just cover it
with the lid. So guys, यहाँ पे पहले हमने यहाँ पे इसमें mushrooms डाल दिया है, spinach डाल दिया है और vegetables डाल दिए हैं और उसके बाद इसे lid रख देना है और 5 मिनट में अब ये veggies ready होने वाले हैं. So guys, my veggies are almost ready.
Yes, the veggies are cooked. Let me put some prawns in there.
Okay, तो यहाँ पर अब prawns भी डाले जा रहे हैं. Sliced fish, prawns.
This gets cooked within minutes.
Okay, so यहाँ पे ये जो meats है, ये 1 मिनट या 2 मिनट 2 मिनट में पक जाता है.
These are very thinly sliced meats.
Because they are very like sliced जो किया है बहुत ही thin sliced है. So very good, मतलब बहुत ही quickly ये cook हो जाएगा. अब आराम से आप family के साथ जब आते हैं तो normally you visit a restaurant, you come, you order, you eat, you pay and you leave. But with Haibo you spend time with your family, just enjoy it.
It's an experience.
It's an experience. फिलहाल कैसे बनाना है ये हम आपको बता रहे हैं. And
I think the prawns are cooked.
The prawns are cooked. We've just put it right now. इतने जल्दी बन भी गया. So the prawns are cooked and I am all ready to eat and चलो पहले prawns try करते हैं. वो hot, steamy.
Some of your favorite sauce.
I'll go with I want to try this. This is the chili oil.
This is chili oil. Yes.
Okay, I'll go with the chili oil.
Just a dip of that. And try put some mustard there.
Okay. तो इसको अब प्रॉन्स का स्वाद कैसा है मैं आपको बताता हूँ. There we go. It's going to be hot, right?
It is. You have to wait for it.
Can't wait. We've got chicken here. एंड ये मेरी जो प्लेट है ये बहुत ही टेम्पटिंग होते जा रही है. चलो सैंपल करते हैं एंड चिकन से स्टार्ट करेंगे. यू गाइस वांट टू ट्राई? आई विल ट्राई इट फॉर यू. दिस इज अमेजिंग. इतने जल्दी इतना यमी, च्यूवी, जूसी, बहुत ही टेस्टी है. एंड इनफैक्ट द ब्रॉथ का जो करी का फ्लेवर है ये भी आ रहा है. गाइज लक्सा ब्रॉथ रॉक्स, जो आपके पैलेट को शूट करेगा. ये तो मीट की बात होगी. अब देखते हैं टोफू के साथ कैसा ये कॉम्बिनेशन बन रहा है.
Tofu is generally soft.
It's very soft.
Very difficult to.
It's very soft. Now that's the best part. It's just melting in your mouth. बहुत ही गर्मा गर्म है, फ्रेश है और so experience is fantastic. So Leo, I'm done with the appetizer. Now what's next?
Next is you can add some more seafood to your broth. Okay, and then enjoy this with glass noodles.
Okay. In a soup bowl.
Yes.
Up seafood you'll be adding to the broth.
Like to go for lobsters?
Go for it. You're gonna help me out.
What happens with the lobsters? The lobsters. Juices go in the broth.
So अब आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे लॉबस्टर डाला गया है और ये लॉबस्टर का जो जूस है ये भी अब ब्रॉथ में मिक्स होगा और फ्लेवर बढ़ते जाएगा. स्कैलप्स डाला गया है.
Few pieces of pomfret.
Okay.
Salmon.
This is going better and better. Salmon, my favorite. I am really
Salmon doesn't need to be cooked for long.
Okay.
And crab sticks, you can just dip them in there.
Crab sticks से dip करना है.
Same goes with the salmon.
So crab stick आपको सिर्फ dip करना है and same goes with the salmon.
Please do not overcook this.
So salmon और आपके crab sticks है, इसे overcook नहीं करना है, इसे बस dip करके आपको निकालना है. Dip and just have it. Salmon और crab sticks को आपको overcook नहीं करना है. You just have to dip it. Okay.
Just put them in the bowl. Then
we've got the glass noodles here. These are the clear noodles, मतलब as good as.
You can dip them in the broth, as well as you can put them straight in the bowl. They are ready to eat.
Okay, so जो glass noodles है, they're ready to eat. इसे directly आप bowl में डाल दीजिए और ये जो मेरा bowl है ये बहुत ही interesting बनते जा रहा है. You can just have a look. और इसमें आप सूप डालेंगे. The broth है जो अब almost सूप बन गया है. And यहाँ पे we've got the prawns here. Whoa.
Fish.
Okay.
Fish balls.
Fish balls.
Shiitake mushroom.
Shiitake mushrooms. Broccoli.
Tofu for the healthy ones.
Tofu for the healthy ones. In fact, all the ingredients here are healthy. No oil. It's perfect. आप खाने के बाद आपको guilty भी feel नहीं होगा. And this is the broth. And let me see. अब ये broth का taste कैसा हो गया है? Awesome, fantastic. बहुत ही बढ़िया है. इसमें लॉबस्टर का भी फ्लेवर आ गया है. इसमें आपको फिश का भी टेस्ट आ रहा है. आपको मैं बता दूं, ये जो ब्रॉथ में जो फ्लेवर है, it's out of the world. I cannot express myself, but still I want to express one thing is that you need to try this. If you are in Mumbai, you need to be here at Haibo. ये ब्रॉथ का जो फ्लेवर है इतना बढ़ गया है, इतना बढ़िया हो गया है. चिकन का टेस्ट आ रहा है, लॉबस्टर का फ्लेवर आ रहा है और ये एकदम ही हेवनली हो गया है, एकदम ही डिवाइन टेस्ट है. It's not for your stomach, it's for your soul. You need to try this. And guys, मैंने बहुत सारे लिंक्स दे दिए. Let me finish this bowl फास्ट. तब तक बारबेक्यू भी आप लगाने वाले हैं. सो बारबेक्यू में क्या क्या है इन स्टोर, जस्ट हैंग अराउंड देयर एंड लेट मी एंजॉय. शाबू 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 Shabu shabu. Apart from shabu shabu, the barbecue pan grill at Haibo is also a treat. You get a combo of fresh seafood, veggies, meats, all ready to be grilled. यमी खाना अगर आपको है पाना, यहीं पे आना, जाने जाना। And last but not the least, a huge variety of a la carte menu and desserts. Yummy, isn't it? Guys, I had a fantastic experience here at Haibo और आप भी ऐसे ही फैंटास्टिक एक्सपीरियंस को एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहते हैं तो आपको हाइबो आना होगा। वैसे अगर आपको मील फॉर टू चाहिए तो उसके लिए आपको बस हमारे फेसबुक पेज को लाइक करना है। हमारा फेसबुक पेज है facebook.com/SUBURRRPPP Facebook/सबर्ब। इसे लाइक करें और हमें हाइबो का एक सबर्ब फैक्टर वहां पर बताइए एंड यू माइट विन a coupon for a couple. Till then, this is Mohsin Khan signing off. Sayonara. Take care. Shabba khair. Ciao. Hey, keep burping. Keep suburbing.